Hey everyone, today I will show you a short demonstration on how you can download Minecraft easily on your PC and your laptop. Now let's get straight into it. Okay everyone, to start with your process, you'll have to type in minecraft.net on your search bar and press enter, and it will lead you to the official Minecraft website. And you will go to the right side here and select get Minecraft, and you will select how you want to play it. So for now it's a computer, and you will be led to this page where you can buy the Minecraft game for a base game of $30 and deluxe game for $40. You will click on the option of your choice and select buy, and then you will be led here, and you may have to sign up to a Microsoft account. If that's the case, go ahead and sign up your account on Minecraft or make one and then log in. After you sign up or log into your Microsoft, you will be headed to this page, and from here I will show you the pictures of how you will proceed on with the tutorial. Planning to buy the game, as I don't play Minecraft, I will show you the steps that are required to fulfill your task. Now you will select your payment method and then select buy, and now you will select download for Windows and wait for it to download. And after then you will click your agreement box and press install, and then after you're done installation you will click let's go and you're ready to play. And then you'll have to wait for this for a little while, and then after then you will head up to the play button and you will press play right here. And after that you will see this Microsoft and Mojang login option. I would suggest you to use Microsoft login, or if you do not have a Microsoft account yet, you can create a new Microsoft account that is written right there. And that is how you can download Minecraft on your PC and your laptop. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If indeed, please leave a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.